Hello YouTube friends, it's me Theosha Talks, and today I want to show you some candy. Kit Kat has several new flavors and I was so excited to go into my local Walgreens and find these different kinds, and I want to taste them for you guys. I haven't had any of these before. I usually just eat regular Kit Kats. Backstory, I've always been a fan of wafers. So just work with me for a minute. Do you remember those wafers that used to come in vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate? But they were like thin wafers, basically just filled with like a sugar paste in the middle of them. It was so good. I love those things as a little kid. Well, anyway, Kit Kat makes several new flavors. And so I wanted to test them for you guys so that you guys can see what it is that I have here. Okay, we've got birthday cake, apple pie, mint dark chocolate, and white chocolate. So I'm thinking, in order to kind of like give everything its due, I'm going to try them in least strong flavor going up to most strong flavor. So let's start with white chocolate, birthday cake, apple pie, and then the mint dark chocolate, because I have the feeling that the mint dark chocolate would probably throw off every other flavor, and we don't want to do that. And in order to rinse in between, I've got some alkaline water from my local Sam's Club, non-spawn with the Kit Kat as well. It's just, I just wanted to do something. So yeah, here we go. I really don't know what to expect. Like I said before, even it has instructions on the back to open, lift, flap, and tear at end. Okay. Oh, look at that. And it's not that I don't know how to open up a Kit Kat. It's just opening it up on camera. Yeah, no. So, break me off a piece. This is the white chocolate. I mean, it tastes like you would expect it to taste. Crisp wafers and a white cream. It just tastes like white chocolate on wafers. I can't say that's my favorite. I mean, between that and the regular chocolate one, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, if you like white chocolate, go for it. But if not, I really don't know what to say. So, take a sip. Okay. Birthday cake comes next. Again, open up the flap and tear at the end. And it opens it up. Now this one, oh, it has sprinkles. Can you see that? I hope you guys can see those. It has little sprinkles on them. Now, I'm not a fan of sprinkles, so hopefully I can't really taste them, but we'll see. You can definitely taste like the vanilla-y kind of like taste in it. It kind of tastes like a I guess like a birthday cake cupcake kind of like thing, like with the icing and the stuff on it. So that's the thing. So okay. Yeah, let's rinse. Okay. Apple pie. Now this is the one that was actually recommended to me. And I was like, oh, okay, I'll try it. But then when I went to Walgreens and I saw the other flavors, I was like, might as well make a little video out of it. You know what I'm saying? Small investment. Oh, that smells good. It kind of smells like a caramely, like a like a like a candy apple. Let's see what it tastes like. This is really good. I had to take a second bite to make sure I liked it. I like this one. It has like an appley taste to it. But then there's also like a hint of crust, which is crazy. That's good. I really like that one. Now, of course, I'm not going to be eating all 4 of these. I'm going to place them in a zip top bag for safekeeping until my sweet tooth, get the hankering again. Because mind you, I've got 3 pieces here that I didn't finish. 4th piece. That's how many pieces come in a whole Reese's. I mean, not Reese's, good Lord, Kit Kat. This one is the mint and dark chocolate. Mint and dark chocolate, I have a feeling it's just going to taste like an Andes mint. You know how that tastes when you go to Olive Garden. Yep, smells just like an Andes mint. Like an after dinner situation. It's green and chocolate. So very typical. I didn't think I was going to like this one, because I thought the wafer part was going to get in the way of that Andes mint situation. It doesn't. It complements it quite well. Yeah, I feel like my palate is cleansed. This is nice. It's cool, and like the dark chocolate complements mint very well. I know people who don't like the 2 of those things together, and I'm sorry to you, but that actually isn't bad. I really didn't think I was going to like that one, and that was another reason why I was saving it till the end, because I was like, it's going to overpower the other flavors. It's just not going to. No, that is good. I will save the rest of that till the end. But of the 4, if I were to rank them, first of all, original Kit Kat always is going to be a favorite in comparison to all of these, for one reason and one reason only. It has stood the test of time. It's a classic. I like wafer things. So, but if I had to rank them, I would definitely go apple pie, dark chocolate and mint, white, and birthday cake at the end. The reason why is because I don't like sprinkles. Like, I'm not a fan. They're super crunchy and they're cute and everything. I mean, sprinkles are adorable. I think they're so cute. But when it comes to eating them, I'm like, no sir, no ma'am. It smells more like cake. It smells like what it is, what it says it is. So that's good. And then I don't know. So there you have it. Stay tuned. Hit me up, because I will have more videos coming out soon. I'm planning on getting my kitchenette together so that I can show you guys some more cooking things. I ended up getting some new equipment, so that's exciting, and hopefully that'll help enhance my videos a little bit more. So with that being said, I guess I'll just have to talk to you guys later. Bye.